Welcome to Road Solver Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about how to create the pavement volume templates in Road Solver program. First, the pavement layer in typical. So in this typical, there are 4 layers which is used for the pavement. So first one, it is a bituminous bearing course 15 mm, then bituminous base course is 100 mm, then aggregate base course is 300 mm, and subgrade it is a 300 mm. In this typical, we are going to create the pavement volume layer for the subgrade. This template numbering in pavement volume template. In the any template, how to create that template numbers, that is an important thing. So first one, always that is a PGL point. This PGL point will be the 0. The next point is a 1, number 1, then number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, finally number 11. Number 11 and number 1, it will be the same point. Should be the point should be closed in the same area of the subgrade layers. Also, the numbers should be in the clockwise direction. So the same direction which is appear in the cross section, your point values, distance and elevation, based on the same direction of your numbering style. Okay. So numbers should be in the closed area of the any pavement layers. Now create template for the pavement volume. The first one is always the PGL value, that is a 0. So in the point type, it's a PGL, distance will be 0. Then next one, point number 1. Point number 1, it is a real number. It is a reference from the 0. The distance will be 0. Height from the PGL, it is minus 0.45. Then after that, 3. Number 3 is a real. It is a reference from 0. The distance is 5.65. The slope will be minus 0.015. The next one is number 2. Number 2 is a real. There is a 2 reference point for this one. So first one, it is a reference point number 1. It is a distance 0. Then slope is minus 0.015. Then reference point 2, it is a 3. That is minus reference point is 3. Then reference slope, it is minus 1. That is 1:1 slope. So this should be right side. So it will be right. Then next one, number 4, it is a real number. It is a reference from point number 3. The distance is 0.5. Slope is minus 0.015. Then next one, number 6, it is a real. So that will be reference from the number 1. That is distance 0. The total height, it is minus 0.30. Then number 5, it is a real number. It is a reference from the first reference is 6. Then that's distance is 0. Then slope is minus 0.15. Second reference is 4. That slope is minus 0.167. That means 6:1. This will be also right side. Then number 9, it is from the PGL value, that is a reference 0. The distance is minus 5.65. Slope is minus 0.015. So same, number 8, it is reference from the number 9. The distance is minus 0.5. Slope is minus 0.015. This fourth point is number 10. It is a reference from the number 1 and number 9. So number 1, it is a distance 0. Slope is minus 0.015. Number 9, the slope is minus 1. That is 1:1. It is left side. So you keep it left side. Number 7, it is a reference to number 6. That is distance is 0. Slope is minus 0.015. So another reference, the second one, it is 8 minus 0.167. That is left side. Finally, that reference number 11. So number 11, reference to 1, you have the distance is 0 and height also 0. This is a method to create the subgrade layer, volume layer for the road solver volume template. Now we will create in software how it will be work. Once you create the pavement layers, you have to go to the pavement layers. So here pavement volume layer, you can create volume layers. So this first one, it is bituminous wearing course. Then second one, bituminous base course. Then third one, it is aggregate base course. Fourth one is subgrade. Then this description also, I make it pavement volume layers. Then press save. So this is the first step to create the template. Then second one, you have to create the template models. So when you go to there is 3 models will be available. So you select the pavement layers. The template 1, template 2, template 3, template 4. Now PVC template, it is bituminous wearing course template, bituminous base course template. Third one is aggregate base course template. Then fourth one, it is subgrade template. So you can create the layer here, almost 20 template for the each layers. Then you have to make the here template pavement. Okay, save. Okay, now we go to the create template. Then you can go pavement volume. There are 4 template, it will be creation. So I can select the subgrade one. So first one, you have to select the PGL. The value will be 0. Then real number, number 1, reference to 0, distance is 0, height is minus 0.45. Then add. Then after that, number 3, reference to 0, this distance is 5.65, slope is minus 0.015. Now number 2, reference from the number 1, the distance 0 minus 0.015. Then the reference is 3, the slope is minus 1, this direction is right side. Then you add. Now number 4, reference to 3, distance 0.5, slope is minus 0.015. Now number 6, reference from the number 3, the distance is 0, height will be 0.03. Okay, sorry, number 6, reference from the number 1, reference should be number 1. So delete this number, reference number 1, then it will be okay. Now here, now number 5, there will be 2 reference. First one is number 6, distance 0 minus 0.015. Then after that, number 4, slope is minus 0.1667. Then it will be right side. So you keep this one. So now this we will complete all right side and left side. Left side, first number 9. So number 9 is reference to 0, distance is minus 5.65, slope is minus 0.015. Then number 10, reference to number 1, distance 0 minus 0.015. Then number 9, it is slope, it is minus 1, should be left side. So we make it this one. Then number 8, reference to 9, distance is 0.50, slope is minus 0.015. Okay, now number 7, reference to 6, distance 0, slope is 0.15. Then number 8, slope is minus 0.1667. Then it should be left side. So this one. Now finally number 11, reference to 1, it is distance 0, height will be 0, then add. So the same point will be added. So this is a method to create the pavement volume template in road solver. Thank you.